Riri ndereti igii kana kanitha wa guku bururi-ini niubataire kwamukira mbeca kuma kuri ateti ithiite na mbere gwakiriria miahu itiganite ya urugamiri wa makanitha ni ithiite na mbere guikia mihua yayo ndereti-ini ino, angi magitikirania na aria angi makiregana nayo. Rita riri muungano wa makanitha kuma kaunti-ini ya Embu ukiingira ndereti ino ukirumakenia ati makanitha kaunti-ini ino matikwaga kwamukira mbeca kuma kuri ateti, ukiuga kanitha nduri na uhoti wa kumenya mbeca njega kana njuru kuma kuri ateti aya.
When it comes to public donations and contributions from elected leaders and other political leaders or state officers, they are free to give us what they think they can give without fanfare. And they should be doing this as any other worshipper when they visit our sanctuaries.
Ugitongori ni muikariri giti waguo Bishop Njeru Nyaga, muungano uyu ugite kanitha mwena ucio iretiga kwamukira mbeca kuma kuri ateti na atongoria angikorwo ni gukurutwo wira wa ati kiria marahotherwo ni gia kungumio.
When it is very evident the religious institutions should not be used as areas to sanctify monies which have been corruptly begotten.
Muhua wao ugiuka thiko ithano tu mbere ya icera riria ritanyitwo ria munini wa President William Ruto kanitha-ini wa ACK Kigari kaunti-ini iyo, kuria atanyitwo gugatongoria harambe ya ukuria wa kanitha ucio. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jessica Mwangi.